Hi, you are welcome back to my channel. Today we have a tricky but very simple math question to solve. So in this question we are asked to find the value of x. Meanwhile, our BC is equal to 8 and our AD is equal to 17. So when I first saw this question, I was a bit like, where do I start from? But on a second thought, I noticed that it's not something you need to stress yourself over. So we are going to extend this line from here to here, and I'm going to extend A to meet this at this point. So that's the first thing I'll be doing now. So stay with me. Okay. Okay. So having done that, we have let's call this point E. Okay, this is right angle, this is right angle, and this is a straight line, this is right angle. So this is actually a rectangle. Okay, so as a result of that, AE must be equal to BC. And remember that BC is 8. Therefore, AE should be 8 as well. So here is 8. Now, similarly, AB is 4. Okay. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please click the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss my videos. I upload my videos as often as possible. Do tune in at your convenience. There must be something new for you to watch. Give us a thumbs up if you actually love what we are doing. Okay, and I love comments. So drop your comments, tell me how you feel, encouragement, if you are even teaching me what to do to make the channel more entertaining and all, and educational. I'm open to your suggestions. Okay, so drop your comments in the comment section. I will actually read all of them. Okay, so I wanted to say that since AB is 4, then EC is also 4. So we have EC is also 4. Now, did you notice anything? I don't know if you have noticed it yet. Now, our AD is 17. So our AD is 17. Now, let's solve this. Let's look at triangle AED. Now, triangle AED is a right angle triangle, right? Right angled triangle. Therefore, we can make use of the Pythagorean theorem. Okay? So using the Pythagorean theorem, we can say that AE squared, because according to Pythagoreans, it says that in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse, which is this longest side of the triangle that is facing the perpendicular side here, okay, this hypotenuse squared. So if we call this place C and call this side A and B, okay, so the longest side, which is the hypotenuse squared, is equal to this A squared plus B squared. So that is the meaning, or that is what Pythagoras said. So we are going to make use of that to solve this particular math question. So we can say AE squared plus ED squared is equal to AD squared. Okay. Now AE is 8. So 8 squared. ED is 4 plus x. This is where you need to be careful. Okay? And AD is 17. So I'll transfer this 8 squared to the other side. So if I subtract 8 squared from here and also subtract 8 squared from here, what I'll have left here is 4 plus x squared is equal to 17 minus 8 into 17 plus 8. Yes, remember that when you have two perfect squares, so a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So that is what I did here, because I don't want to start solving for the other squares separately. Okay, so we have 4 plus x squared is equal to 17 minus 8 is 9, and 17 plus 8 is 25. Okay, so now we have, permit me to erase the first part. So now we have 4 plus x squared is equal to 9 times 5 is 45, carry 4. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 225. So we have 22. That means we have 225. So 4 plus x all squared is equal to 225. Now let's take square root of both sides. Let's take square roots of both sides. So we are going to have square root of 4 plus x squared is equal to square root of 225. So this and this we go, we have 4 plus x is equal to plus or minus. Square root of 225 is 15, right? Yeah, it's 15. Okay, now it simply means that moving forward, we have x will be equal to plus or minus 15. Then this 4 will go to the other side, minus 4. So x will be equal to 15 minus 4, and x will be equal to minus 15 minus 4. But we are talking about length, okay? So meaning that we cannot use negative for our length. We're going to prove that the answer we got is correct. So sit put and see how that works. So we cannot take this, it's going to give us a negative answer, but here we give us x to be 11. So if our x is 11, that means here is 11. Let's prove that the answer we got is actually correct. So you know this is how our drawing is, right? So triangle AED, we have 8 squared using Pythagorean theorem plus 4 plus 11 is 15. 15 squared, supposed to be equal to 17 squared, right? Now 8 squared is 64. 15 squared is 225. Now 17 squared, 7 squared is 49. 1 squared is 101. 1 times 7 times 2 is 14. So it's going to be 289. So we have 289 here. Now is this equal to 289? So 4 plus 5 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. And we have 2. So you can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, which proves that the answer we got is correct. If you watched to this stage, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So see you in my next video. Bye.